Top 5 natural ways to reset your circadian rhythm.
Struggling to maintain healthy sleep patterns? Discover proven, medication-free strategies to restore your body's internal clock. These natural methods can help you fall asleep more easily, wake up refreshed, and improve your overall well-being. Let's explore the top 5 ways to reset your circadian rhythm and get your sleep back on track.
1. Get morning sunlight exposure.
Spending time in natural sunlight soon after waking signals your brain that it's daytime, helping to synchronize your internal clock. Aim for at least 20 minutes outside each morning. Even a walk in indirect daylight can boost alertness, enhance your mood, and support healthier sleep cycles later at night.
2. Maintain consistent sleep times.
Going to bed and waking up at the same times each day, yes, even on weekends, reinforces your circadian rhythm. This regularity trains your body to expect sleep at certain times, making it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake feeling rested each morning.
3. Limit evening blue light exposure.
Electronics like phones, tablets, and computers emit blue light that can confuse your internal clock and disrupt melatonin production. To reset your rhythm, dim the lights and avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, try reading or calming activities to help your body prepare for sleep.
4. Get physically active during the day.
Physical activity supports a healthy sleep-wake cycle and can help reset your circadian rhythm. Morning or afternoon exercise is best, as intense evening workouts may make it harder to wind down. Even daily walks or light stretching can make a noticeable difference in your sleep quality.
5. Eat meals on a regular schedule.
Your body's internal clock is sensitive not only to light, but also to food timing. Eating meals at consistent times each day helps reinforce your circadian signals. Try to avoid large, heavy meals late at night and aim for balanced, nourishing foods earlier in the day for optimal sleep.
Resetting your rhythm naturally.
Making small, sustainable adjustments can have a big impact on your circadian rhythm. Start with 1 or 2 tips and build from there. With time and consistency, you'll likely enjoy better sleep, steadier energy, and improved overall health, all without medication.